In this video, we'll show you 2 ways to make paper airplanes. We like to make paper airplanes to send people a joke, or a get well card, or a happy birthday note, or Happy New Year. You get the idea. There's a lot of fun to be had here by sending a message. So in this first type of paper airplane, you fold the paper in half lengthwise, and then you can follow along with the steps here. And with these last 2 folds, your first paper airplane is finished. Maybe you'll choose to decorate it or write a note and send it to someone. The next type we'll make has a more blunt type nose, but is also pretty easy to aim. Here it is. Grab a piece of paper and follow along. Now, this next fold is really not a fold. It's just a way to mark how high to fold the tip up. The trick here is to position the corner so that it meets the center line before you crease the fold. And then you'll do the same thing on the other side to make it symmetrical. See how he's making the 2 points match? And here, before he creases the fold, he makes sure that the 2 folded edges are matching. And there it is. Now it's ready to decorate. The joke he chose for this one is, what happens when you wear a watch on a plane? And the answer is, time flies. Have fun!